In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to create a custom package in Xdraw. Start by logging into your account and navigating to the BOM page. Click the Add Custom Item button and select Package Product from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary details in the Add Product Details dialog box. For this example, I'll select Extran as the brand and add the model number, description, quantity, image link, MSRP, etc. Remember to always mark the IO information as yes from the drop-down if you want to add port information, then click on the Next button. You'll then be guided to the Add Product to Package page. Here, you can add products from the X1080 library or My Library. For illustration, let's add the Extran components from the X1080 library and click the Save button. You can use the Copy to My Library option to add a product to My Library. Then, click the Edit button if you want to update the port information of the product. In the Product Detail dialog box, change the details of the component as per your requirement. For illustration, I have changed the MSRP. Select Yes from the drop-down under Add IO Information and click Next. The Edit Port dialog box will open. Click Add Port at the top right. This method allows you to add multiple ports. For illustration, let me add 2 more ports. To update the product block with the new ports, tick Redraw Device and click the Save button. Your custom package is now created and appears in your BOM. By clicking View Component, you can see all the products added to the package. Furthermore, the package will also appear in the Xdraw editor, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please visit x1080.com.